Want customers to see purchase limits before adding items to their cart? Here's how to display rules and conditions on product pages in Min Max Quantities. Go to WooCommerce, then Min Max Quantities, and click Advanced. You'll see the Min Max Rules and Conditions message section. Check Enable Message to display conditional messages on product detail pages. Edit the message header as your preference. Then choose where messages should display. You can place them after Add to Cart form or before Add to Cart form. Let's select Before Add to Cart form. Click Save Changes to apply your settings. Now customers see all applicable rules right on the product page. For example, if a product has a minimum quantity of 5 and a quantity step of 5, they'll see it clearly displayed before adding to cart. That's it. Customers now understand purchase limits up front. Thanks for watching.